Marc Chandler still with us. I want to ask you about a Santa Claus rally. Do you see one coming?
Yeah, I think so. I think this is what we're in the middle of right now. You know, we just tested those lows from last month. It held. I think that the part of the problem, the scare in the market, we've been waiting for a long time for this correction. We had it, and now I'm thinking people are pulling money back into the stock market.
Did you see that report on GDP today? One of our economist guys dug into it and found a 10% year-over-year gain in pre-tax profits. In other words, you're up 10% on your profits without help from the tax cuts.
Exactly. I think this is an important part. You know, in the second revision of the GDP that we got today, that's what it includes for the first time, this look at corporate profits, stronger than people expected. And I think that's also giving the boost to the stock market here.
Let's suppose, well, President Trump is going to meet with China's leader, Xi Jinping. I think that takes place on tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken.
Saturday night for dinner.
Saturday night for dinner. Thank you, Marc. Now, do you expect any kind of positive statement to come out of that meeting?
Well, here's what I think happened. Is under Bush, the Lesser, and Obama, we had regular talks with the Chinese. Trump canceled those. So I think those can come back on the table. Regular talks. But whether we really get the progress we want on trade is a different story. I think that the Chinese are reluctant to give the concessions that the U.S. wants, giving up Made in China 2025, which is a Chinese version of America First.
But our president has the leverage. We're doing okay. China's hurting.
Well, I think that you're right, that the fiscal stimulus we got, the tax cuts, the spending increases, gave us a little bit of cushion to absorb these shocks. But what happens next year when the fiscal stimulus wears off, I think we're going to see some more pain, farmers especially, where Trump got a lot of the votes, Midwest. Those farmers are getting hurt now.
OK. Marc, thanks for joining. Bannockburn.
Bannockburn.
That's a Scots name.
Scottish.
Are you a Scots?
No, but based in Cincinnati. And
okay.
There's a lot of, and there's Bannockburn in Illinois as well. There's a lot of Scottish influence.
I should have known. Thank you, Marc. You're all right.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.